Here we have the beautiful Gulliver. Let me give you guys a 360-degree view of what the stove looks like all the way around. The cooktop is cast iron. Take you guys down the backside. The sides of the stove are featured in a beautiful soapstone. Over the cooktop, back down. Love the Gulliver. Beautiful stove.